the handheld grinder is one of the most potentially dangerous. Never use a grinder with an abrasive wheel that does not match the maximum diameter and RPM of the grinder. Never use a grinding wheel without a guard. Not only does the guard help protect you from flying debris, but it ensures you don't attach a larger grinding wheel than permitted. An over-rotated wheel can explode, sending shrapnel with enough force to maim or kill. Don't use a grinder without a guard. Always match the maximum RPM of the abrasive wheel to the grinder. And wear your personal protective equipment.